Mastering the art of achieving New Year goals. Resolute Revolution, mastering the art of achieving New Year goals. Setting realistic goals and attainable objectives. Understand personal limitations, circumstances, and available resources. Identify and acknowledge current state and capacity to establish achievable objectives. Example, opt for exercising 3 times a week instead of daily workouts, especially for beginners or busy individuals. Developing an actionable plan. Break down the overall goal into smaller, manageable steps to create a well-structured and detailed plan of action. Example, dedicate 1 day each week to trying new recipes or enroll in cooking classes to improve culinary skills. Implementing consistency and accountability. Establish a routine to incorporate the new behavior into daily life. Consistency builds momentum and increases the likelihood of long-term commitment. Accountability through sharing resolutions, joining support groups, or seeking a mentor is crucial for external motivation. Celebrating milestones and progress. Acknowledge and celebrate achieved milestones along the way. Reinforce positive change by celebrating even small achievements. Example, recognize and celebrate the growth and development accomplished during the resolution journey. Embracing resilience and learning from setbacks. Understand setbacks as inherent parts of meaningful endeavors. Embrace setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. Adjust and adapt. Plans in response to setbacks to build resilience. Example, instead of self-doubt, view setbacks as chances to learn and grow in the pursuit of resolutions. In summary, successful New Year's resolution keeping involves careful consideration, realistic goal setting, consistency, accountability, celebrating milestones, resilience, and continue learning from setbacks are crucial. Adopting these strategies and maintaining a positive mindset can transform aspirations into tangible achievements, personal growth, and transformation. As we approach the new year, let's embrace the opportunity to set resolutions that enhance our well-being and pave the way to a fulfilling and successful future. Forward this to a friend who might enjoy it. It's free to go forward. Connect with us at weCare at newbeginning.com. Our most in-demand resource. https://www.newbeginning freebies for you. Become our affiliate and earn 50% in. https://w program. Solopreneurs resources to scale businesses at https://www.newbeginning.com. Solopreneurs digital branding hub at https://www.mynewbeginning.com. Coming up soon, Solopreneurs dream lifestyle at https://